Effective people management transcends simple task organization. It's about inspiring confidence, cultivating talent, and addressing challenges with clarity and decisive action. Together, we will delve into proven strategies for unlocking individual strengths, building trust, and fostering a harmonious environment, especially when conflict arises. Empowering teams forms the backbone of impactful leadership, allowing organizations to fully leverage their team's potential and drive innovation. We will explore powerful strategies that extend beyond basic task management, focusing on constructing trust, establishing clear expectations, and nurturing a collaborative atmosphere. True empowerment involves recognizing and celebrating each individual's strengths, creating a dynamic space where they feel inspired and supported to excel. Welcome to our part 3 of Mastering the Workplace. Today's topic is Empowering Teams, the Art of People Management. In this session, we will delve into the key elements that can transform your team's performance from merely functional to truly exceptional. Whether you are a seasoned team leader, an inspiring manager, or someone eager to create a vibrant workplace, you're in the right place to make a difference. You will discover actionable insights to foster a dynamic team culture grounded in collaboration, mutual respect, and a shared vision for success. We will also explore strategies to promote growth, inclusivity, and open communication. Critical factors for building a resilient, innovative, and unified team. By the end of this session, you will be equipped with powerful tools to elevate your people management skills and shape a team dynamic that is not only productive but also deeply supportive and engaged. So, get comfortable, grab a notebook if you'd like, and let's dive into the art of people management. Empowering teams, the art of people management, is a valuable guide for leaders who want to build strong, high-performing teams where everyone feels included and supported. This guide provides simple tools and techniques to help set clear goals, recognize each team member's unique strengths, and create a positive workplace where everyone can succeed. By focusing on important skills like listening, understanding emotions, and delegating tasks, it shows how leaders can encourage open communication, trust, and responsibility within their teams. With a focus on being honest and supportive, this guide helps leaders inspire true commitment and teamwork, leading to better productivity, creativity, and long-term success in any organization. And these are the key focus areas. Empowering teams highlights how effective leadership starts with authentic connections built on clear communication, empathy, and listening. It shows leaders how to build loyalty and engagement by defining clear roles, setting goals, and offering timely feedback. Through recognition and celebrating achievements, leaders can boost morale and job satisfaction. The guide emphasizes fostering teamwork, valuing inclusivity, and empowering team members with decision-making responsibilities. Practical advice on delegation, emotional intelligence, and mentorship helps leaders build trust, accountability, and open communication, ultimately inspiring collaboration, commitment, and long-term success. As we explore ways to empower your team, it's important to remember that each person is unique with their own strengths, motivations, and perspectives. Effective empowerment means understanding these differences and adapting your approach to meet their needs. Let's start by looking at leadership styles that not only promote empowerment but also build a supportive, high-performing team. First, we have transformational leadership. This style is all about inspiring and motivating your team with a shared vision. By creating a strong sense of purpose, you align everyone's personal goals with the team's objectives. This approach encourages each person to grow and build confidence in their abilities. Next is servant leadership. Here, the leader's focus is on supporting the well-being and development of the team. Think of yourself as leading by serving, providing the help, removing the obstacles, and creating an environment where team members feel encouraged to take ownership of their work. This is followed by democratic leadership. This style involves team members in decision-making, making everyone feel valued and boosting their sense of ownership and independence. By encouraging everyone to contribute ideas, you foster a collaborative and inclusive atmosphere. Another style to consider is empowerment leadership. Empowerment leadership involves giving team members the authority and responsibility to make decisions. This style encourages people to take risks, make choices, and learn from their experiences, helping them grow more confident and capable. Finally, we have laissez-faire leadership. In this hands-off approach, leaders give their team a high degree of freedom to make decisions and manage their work. The term laissez-faire means let it be, which reflects the focus on trust and delegation. Leaders let team members take control and trust them to accomplish tasks independently. Each of these styles offer different ways to empower your team, depending on their unique needs and the dynamics you want to create. Creating an inclusive team culture is essential for building a supportive and high-performing environment. Let's go through some key elements that help foster inclusion. First, let's talk about diversity and inclusion. Encourage a culture where diverse perspectives are not only welcome but valued. When team members bring different backgrounds and experiences, it promotes creativity and leads to better decision-making by drawing on a wide range of ideas. Next is psychological safety. It's important to create an environment where everyone feels safe to speak up, share ideas, and even make mistakes without fear of negative consequences. This helps encourage open communication, experimentation, and innovative thinking within the team. Following this is transparency and fairness. Having clear policies, open communication, and fair practices helps build trust and reduce biases. When everyone feels respected and included, it prevents conflicts and creates a more cohesive team atmosphere. Finally, we have belonging and unity. Regularly celebrating team successes, encouraging collaboration, and supporting social interactions can help build a strong sense of belonging. This fosters unity and makes each team member feel they are a valued part of the group. Each of these elements contributes to an inclusive team culture where everyone feels seen, heard, and supported. Performance management is key to empowering teams, providing structure and support for everyone to thrive. Let's go through the essential components of effective performance management. First, let's start with goal setting and alignment. Clearly defined, measurable goals that align with team and organizational objectives give everyone direction and purpose. This focus helps teams concentrate on activities that have the most impact. Next up is feedback and recognition. Providing constructive, regular feedback keeps team members on track, while recognizing achievements boosts motivation. Together, these practices give individuals a clear sense of their contributions and areas for growth. Following this is performance reviews and development plans. For empowered teams, performance reviews should focus on growth rather than punishment. Personalized development plans encourage skill building and align each team member's strengths with the organization's needs. Finally, we have accountability and responsibility. Encouraging team members to take ownership of their performance builds commitment and a proactive approach to reaching goals. When people feel responsible for their work, they are more motivated to succeed. Each of these elements contributes to a well-rounded performance management approach that empowers teams to excel. Conflict resolution and effective communication are essential for building strong, cohesive teams. Let's go through the key components that support this. First, we have active listening and empathy. Listening with empathy and acknowledging different perspectives helps team members feel understood. By recognizing underlying emotions, you can diffuse tension and prevent misunderstandings before they escalate. Next is collaborative problem solving. When conflicts arise, encourage the team to work together on solutions. Focusing on win-win outcomes not only resolves the issue, but also strengthens relationships within the team. Following this is clear, open communication channels. Regular check-ins, team meetings, and open feedback loops help keep communication flowing smoothly. This reduces misunderstandings and builds trust across the team. Finally, we have training in conflict resolution. Offering resources or workshops on conflict resolution techniques can give team members practical tools to handle disputes constructively. This equips everyone to manage conflicts in a positive and productive way. Each of these elements contributes to a culture of open communication and effective conflict resolution, building a stronger and more resilient team. Building engagement and motivation is key to fueling high team performance. Let's explore the essential elements that contribute to this. First, we have recognition and appreciation. Recognizing both individual and team achievements boosts morale and reinforces positive behaviors. When people feel appreciated, they are more motivated to continue doing great work. Next is empowering purpose and vision. When teams understand how their work connects to a larger mission, it gives them a sense of purpose. This deeper understanding makes them more engaged and driven to contribute. Following this is opportunities for growth. Providing career development opportunities like training, mentorship, or new challenges helps keep team members motivated and invested in their roles. When people see room for growth, they're more likely to stay committed and enthusiastic. Finally, we have flexibility and work-life balance. Offering flexibility in work hours or location shows trust and respect for employees' personal lives. This leads to higher job satisfaction, greater engagement, and better overall performance. Each of these elements plays a vital role in fostering a motivated, engaged team that consistently performs at its best. Empowering teams is built on key principles that foster a positive and productive environment. Let's explore these principles. First, we have trust and autonomy. Trusting your team members to make decisions and giving them the freedom to act fosters a sense of ownership. This boosts creativity, accountability, and motivates everyone to take initiative. Next is open communication. Transparent communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone is on the same page. It strengthens team cohesion, making it easier to collaborate and solve problems together. Following this is inclusive leadership. Involving team members in decision-making gives them a voice in shaping the team's direction. This inclusivity makes everyone feel valued and encourages collective ownership of team goals. Finally, we have clear goals and alignment. It's essential that team objectives are clear, attainable, and align with the organization's values. This alignment ensures everyone is working toward the same purpose, improving focus and overall effectiveness. Each of these principles helps create an empowered, cohesive team that is motivated to achieve shared goals. Empowerment is the process of equipping individuals with the tools, resources, and authority they need to take ownership of their work and decision making. It's not just about assigning tasks, but about fostering a culture where team members are trusted to act independently and confidently. True empowerment goes far beyond simply delegating responsibilities. It involves creating an environment where individuals feel capable, valued, and essential to the success of the organization. When empowered, team members are given the freedom to make decisions, solve problems, and contribute in meaningful ways. This sense of autonomy not only boosts their confidence, but also enhances their motivation and commitment to the team's objectives. Empowerment is a dynamic and ongoing process, one that requires continuous support, open communication, and a shared vision for success. By empowering others, leaders not only drive innovation and growth, but also create a culture of trust and collaboration that benefits everyone. SMART goals and other key practices help teams stay focused and aligned. Let's break down these essential elements. First, we have SMART goals. Setting goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound provides clarity and direction. This reduces ambiguity and ensures that everyone is aligned and focused on what truly matters. Next is role clarity. Clearly defining roles helps avoid conflicts and overlapping responsibilities. When team members know what's expected of them, they can contribute confidently and effectively. Finally, we have regular recalibration. Periodically revisiting and adjusting goals ensures that teams stay on track and remain adaptable to changing priorities or new challenges. This helps maintain focus and keeps the team moving forward toward success. Together, these practices create a structured, focused environment that empowers teams to achieve their goals with confidence. Delegating decision-making and providing the right resources are key to empowering teams. Let's look at these important practices. First, we have a delegation of decision-making. Allowing team members to make decisions fosters accountability and encourages them to think creatively. This not only empowers individuals but also drives innovative solutions within the team. Next is resource availability. Ensuring that your team has access to the necessary resources, whether it's information, tools, or support, boosts their confidence and enables them to deliver high-quality work. When people have what they need, they are more likely to succeed. Finally, we have reduced micromanagement. Avoiding micromanagement gives team members the freedom to approach tasks in their own way, utilizing their unique strengths. This builds trust and allows for more flexibility, which can lead to greater innovation and job satisfaction. These practices help create an environment where teams feel trusted, supported, and empowered to perform at their best. Supporting skill development and fostering a growth mindset are crucial for empowering teams. Let's break down these key elements. First, we have skill development programs. Encourage continuous learning by providing access to relevant courses, workshops, and certifications. These programs help both individuals and teams enhance their skills and stay aligned with their goals. Next is mentorship and coaching. Mentoring, especially for newer or developing team members, helps build confidence and provides valuable guidance. Through regular coaching, individuals can develop both their technical skills and soft skills in a supportive environment. Finally, we have encouraging a growth mindset. Creating a culture where mistakes are viewed as learning opportunities rather than failures encourages ongoing improvement. A growth mindset fosters resilience and motivates team members to keep developing no matter the challenges they face. These practices support a culture of learning and development, helping teams stay engaged and continually grow in their roles. Empowering teams comes with its challenges, but with the right practices, these obstacles can be overcome. Let's explore some common challenges and best practices. First, the challenge of resistance to change. It's common for team members to resist new methods or responsibilities. To ease the transition, provide clear communication about the benefits of empowerment and introduce changes in small, manageable steps. Next is the challenge of balancing autonomy with accountability. Empowerment requires a balance between giving freedom and ensuring responsibility. To maintain this balance, establish clear goals, accountability measures, and schedule regular check-ins to keep teams on track. Following this is managing diverse expectations. Different team members may have varying levels of comfort with autonomy. Tailoring your approach to meet individual needs and encouraging open communication can help address this challenge and ensure everyone feels supported. Now let's look at the best practice, celebrating milestones. Recognizing both big and small achievements reinforces a sense of empowerment and helps keep team morale high. Celebrating successes motivates continued progress. Finally, a best practice, continuous feedback loop. Regular feedback allows teams to adjust strategies, learn from their experiences, and stay aligned with their goals. This ongoing feedback helps teams stay focused and improve over time. By addressing challenges and implementing these best practices, you can create an environment where teams feel empowered, motivated, and set up for success. People management is more than just a skill. It's an essential art built on patience, empathy, and strategic insight. Great leaders nurture this art over time, learning from every interaction and discovering what motivates and uplifts their team members. When executed thoughtfully, effective people management brings individuals together toward common goals, transforming a diverse group into a unified, high-performing team. This journey involves recognizing and leveraging each team member's unique strengths, providing support for their development, and fostering an environment of collaboration, trust, and mutual respect. A well-managed team becomes not only resilient and adaptive, but also highly motivated, qualities that are essential for long-term success for both individuals and the organization. Ultimately, the most profound impact a leader can make is creating a culture where everyone feels valued, empowered, and inspired to consistently bring their best to the table. By doing so, leaders not don't just build successful teams. They shape a legacy of growth, innovation, and sustained achievement. This edition emphasizes the broader long-term influence a leader has on the team, reinforcing that people management is a continuous journey with far-reaching effects. As leaders, our role goes beyond guiding and motivating our teams in the workplace. It extends into our personal lives as well. Leadership is about inspiring others, but it's also about leading with authenticity, vulnerability, and empathy. It's important to remember that leaders are human too. We face challenges, experience moments of stress, and sometimes struggle to keep everything in hand. While we strive to maintain a steady course, there are times when things may fall outside our control, and that's okay. It's during these moments that we need your understanding and support the most. Empowering a team is truly a two-way street. As much as leaders empower you, the team, we also rely on your trust, patience, and openness. It's through this mutual support that we build a strong, resilient culture where everyone can thrive. We're all working toward the same goals, and together we can create an environment where each person, whether a leader or team member, feels valued and empowered to bring their best. Let's continue to lead with grace, understanding, and a shared commitment to our collective success. Because when we lift each other up, we all rise together. Thank you so much for tuning in. We appreciate your time and attention. So please stay tuned as part 4 of our Mastering the Workplace series titled Breaking Free from People Pleasing, Finding Balance in the Workplace will be released on next Saturday, November 23. So again, I'm Arlene, and I've been thoroughly studying effective leadership to bring you valuable insights and practical tips that can help both you and your team thrive. So I'm very much excited to continue sharing this journey with you and look forward to diving into the next part of the series. So thank you again for being part of this experience, and I can't wait for you to join us in the next session. So until next time, keep empowering your team with trust, support, and a shared vision. You take care.